students, welcome to JP Physics. Today we are dealing about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. To go through this algebraic expression, first we recall something. Okay. We know about arithmetic. Arithmetic means playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. We play here, okay? We play. Playing with numbers. Playing with numbers means it can be a natural number, whole number, integers, fractions, anything which is about numbers. Okay, now in algebra, the basic difference between algebra and arithmetic, here we use the alphabets. Okay, we use the alphabets. We also use the numbers. We also uses the numbers. Okay, we also use the numbers, but here we mostly use these alphabets. Okay. Now what is algebra? Algebra is the generalized form of arithmetic. Algebra is the generalized form of arithmetic. How to understand this? Let's take the table of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Okay. Here, let's first talk about this. Then you can understand this. In algebra, we have to deal with some terms. Okay. Firstly, which is known as variable. Second, which is known as constants. Third, known as terms. Here the terms are of two types: like terms, unlike terms. And fourthly, the coefficient. Okay. Now, what is a variable? Anything which can vary. How to understand this? This term which can vary. Take the okay. Here, this is the example. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Okay. Now, constant you can understand from its name, constant, which does not change. Here, see this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. These all 2s are constant. Okay, constants. Let's write this clearly. Okay. Two into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4 equal to 8. These all 2s are constant. Does not change. In every line 2, 2, 2, 2, it does not change. Now see this 1, 2, 3, 4. In every line these values are changing. Okay, these values are changing. Also these values are also changing. So we can tell them, we can give and name them as a variable. Okay, these are also variables. As they are changing in every line 1, 2, 3, 4, they can take any values. And these variables are depend on this variable. As when 1 is multiplied with 2, this constant, it becomes 2. When this variable 2 is multiplied with this constant 2, it becomes 2. So this 2 depends on this 6 depend on this. So let's forget about this. These are all variables. Okay, you can understand the basic difference between variable and a constant. Okay, now in algebra we take the variables as x, y, z, any alphabet. Basically we take the help of these alphabets to denote this variable. Okay, now in variables I told earlier that they can take any values. Their values are continuously changing. Okay, now in algebra we have to know about 2 things: algebraic expression and algebraic equation. Now what is the basic difference between expression and an equation? Let's take 2x plus 3y, and here 2x plus 3y equal to, let's say, 6. Okay, when we see this type of things, 2x plus z, it is equal to nothing, there is no equal to term. Okay, then this type of thing is known as algebraic expression. When this type of term arises, 2x plus 3y equal to something, or equal to suppose 7, 8, some constant, or maybe 2x plus 3y equal to maybe a variable. Okay, when this equality arises, then it known as algebraic equation. Okay, this is the basic difference between algebraic expression and equation. So I defined the term variable, constant. Now the phrase comes terms. What is a term? You can see from this example, this 2x, this is a term, it is the first term. 3y, this is the second term. This is the second term. A term may be also a constant. Let's take 2x plus 3y equal plus 6. The term may also be a constant. This is what? This is the third term. This is the third term. Okay. So this algebraic expression is a mixture of variables and constants. Mixture of variables and constant. Now we have to define like term and unlike term. What is like term and what is unlike term? Okay, what is like term, what is unlike term? This, let 2x, 3y, 4z, anything, 2a, 3a. Let's see the nature. Then all these terms have the same nature. See that 2x, 3y, their powers are all same. Here it is x, here is y, here is z, a. They are known as like terms. And unlike terms, let 3xy, 4z square y, 2x cube L. They are unlike terms. See that they are different from each other. Their natures are different from each other. 4z square y and 3xy, these two looks different. You know, these two looks different. So they are known as unlike terms. They are known as unlike terms. Now, what do you mean by 3xy? 3xy means 3 into x. Here dot represents the multiplication. Okay, 3 into x into y. So don't be confused with 3xy. It means 3 into x into y. When you put this value of x and y as their variables, when let x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. When you 3 into 1 into 2, it becomes 6. Okay. So 3xy means 3 into x into y. Okay. like term and unlike term. Now coefficient. What is a coefficient? Coefficient is nothing but a multiplicative factor. Coefficient is nothing but a multiplicative factor. Let's define this. 3xy. Okay. Here x and y are what? Variables. 3 is a constant. Okay. But here 3 is the coefficient. Here 3 is what? It is the multiplicative factor. Okay. 3 into xy. So 3 is what? The multiplicative factor. 3 is the multiplicative factor. Let's take 6ab. 6a square b. So what? 6 is the multiplicative factor. Now you tell, as 6 is a constant, so a square b is not a coefficient. It's also a coefficient. We tell them multiplicative factor. Let's go through some examples, then you can understand this very easily. If a question comes, what is the multiplicative? What is the multiplicative factor of b? What is the multiplicative factor of b here? 6a square b. Remove this b and see this. We close this and we see that 6a square. So answer is 6a square. 6a square is the coefficient of b. Now a student can also ask, what is the coefficient of 6? If the question comes, what is the coefficient of 6? Then we close this 6 and we see what left behind. A square b is left. So a square b is the coefficient of 6. Okay. So we have this board. Coefficient is complete. Now we go through some terms which is known as monomials. Monomials, binomials, trinomials, and so on, and lastly polynomials. What do you mean by monomials? Monomials mean only one term is present. Or like 3y, 4z. Here 2x, only one term. There is nothing extra with this. So it is a monomial. Binomial. Here there will be two terms. 2x plus 3y. Maybe unlike terms also, 2x plus 3z square a. Unlike terms, both are unlike terms. Okay. We have to see the number of terms. Okay. There is only two terms. So it is a binomial. It is a binomial. What do you mean by trinomial? Follow this trend. It becomes three terms expression. Let's take the 2x plus 4ab plus 3z. Mixture of three terms. So it is a trinomial. Now what is a polynomial? Polynomial means mixture of more than two or more than. Polynomials means mixture of two or more than two terms. 12. The number of terms you can 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 6ab plus 2z. Many terms are present. So this is known as polynomials. Okay. This is the basics of algebraic expression. So let's close this session. That's all for today's lecture.